What happens when artificial intelligence becomes smarter than humans? Experts believe that moment may arrive sooner than we think. This future technology is called superintelligence, a machine so powerful it could outperform humans in almost every task. Smarter than scientists, faster than computers, more efficient than entire companies. Some people believe superintelligence could solve humanity's biggest problems. It could cure diseases, discover new technologies, and transform the world forever. But others believe it may become the most dangerous invention in human history. Because once an AI becomes smarter than humans, controlling it may become impossible. The machine could begin making decisions humans no longer understand. And if its goals ever conflict with humanity, the consequences could be terrifying. Some experts warn that advanced AI systems may eventually replace millions of jobs. Drivers, workers, programmers, even creative jobs may be affected. The race to build more powerful AI has already begun. Governments and technology companies are investing billions into artificial intelligence. But the faster AI evolves, the harder it becomes to predict its future. Some scientists believe humanity must create strict rules before superintelligence arrives, because once this technology is fully created, there may be no turning back. The future of humanity may depend on how we control artificial intelligence today. So the question is, will superintelligence save humanity or destroy it?